about to see are true. The names have not been changed so that your friends can make fun of you tomorrow. Any similarity between the characters depicted here and any actual persons is completely intentional.
Yep. Right here. Right here. My first ever prop and a starting of my Doctor Who cosplays right here. This is cool. And not to mention I'm gonna get some more Doctor Who stuff. Because I love Doctor Who. Oh wow, it is an official product. Holy shit. It is an official product. It looks like it's pre-opened though. But yeah. I got this baby right here. Hell yeah. The Doctor Who Trans-Temporal Sonic Screwdriver. Oh man. And this is one of the screwdrivers that you build yourself. So this is really cool. Most of them you do build yourself. Some are pre-built. Others are molds. And this is really cool, actually. Yeah, this seems like it was pre-packaged, so still really cool that I finally got one. It's my first of many, and I plan to get 9s. See, comes with this. Comes with the emitter, the holster. I think that's the holster. I'm getting every Dr. Whovian pretty mad at me. But it has several sounds, and you build it together. The detail on these are exquisite. This is the bottom that looks like a Steam Boy from the anime Steam Boy that Steam Boy rides. I really recommend Steam Boy. The top of the sonic screwdriver emitter. It looks green on camera, but it is blue. And yeah. Cool. So the batteries are there. You get to see the internal logs. That's the button that you press to make the wham sound, to make the famous screwdriver sounds. Goes in like that. Yep. Locks in place like that. This is the bottom. So it screws in like that. Very tight. Okay, so it doesn't screw in that tightly, so it's very fragile. Seems like it, oh, okay. Yeah, locks in place, apparently. This one has a problem of doing that, I guess. Yep. That's the button, the emitter for it. And there. Feels good, lightweight. Kind of loose. Very good to juggle. But yeah, that's pretty cool. Sound there, and this is where I put the batteries in, I will figure out later. Okay, so often the case, when you receive a sonic screwdriver from the UK, those batteries will be dead. even if it's a pre-packaged screwdriver or not, you will definitely need a tiny Phillips, about that size, and you'll need these. The reason why you need a tiny one is because there are holes inside this where the battery chambers are, where the 3 battery chambers are. There's holes on the side that you poke right through there, right there. Those 3 holes are the ones that you poke inside to make sure that the batteries are loose that are in there. Alright, so in a minute, we'll come back.
Many months later.
And here it is. You've probably seen this. There was some magic involved. And here we go. That's one. That's the classic one. And for every screwdriver, they have different variations of sounds when you click the button. So, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Oh, I guess that's looped. So those light up. That lights up. So yeah, those are the sounds. Cool. I love this. And there's going to be more to come because possibly today I'm going to have another big thing available that's going to be here. So laters, poppers and stalkers.